Yeah.
My name is Arianna from Aurora Middle School, and I'm going to be teaching about legal moves on a scale. These are pawns. This is X, and this is the opposite of X. Together, they make a pair of 0. And then these are the cubes that represent the numbers. This is the green are the negative numbers, and the reds are the positive numbers. But together, they once again create a pair of 0. My first problem is 3x plus 10 equals 5x plus 2. So first we take away three pawns from each side. So we take away, using 2 hands, take away 3 pawns each. Which leaves us with 10 equals to 2x plus 2. So then we take away 2 from each side, leaves us with 8. That would be 8 equals 2x, or, well, by dividing by 2, you get 4 equals x. Is negative 10 plus x equals the opposite of 3x plus 2. Okay, so first I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna get rid of these 3 by adding 3 to each side. So if I were to add 3 here, that would make a pair of 0, so these would leave. And then if I would add 3 here, then it's 4x. So then I need to get rid of this, so I'm adding 10 to each side. Which gets rid of these, pair of 0. Then it would be 12 equals 4x. We divide the 12 by the 4, and then that would equal being 3 equals x. Problem is 5 plus x plus the opposite of 3x equals 3x plus the opposite of 2x equals negative 1. So first of all, I'm going to be taking away the ones that make a pair of 0. So these ones would make a pair of 0, and these ones would make a pair of 0. So I'm going to take those away. And then I want to get rid of this one, so I'm going to add one of these to each side, which would make this being a pair of 0. And then I want to get rid of this, so I'm going to be adding a negative 5 to each side, which would take away this, that makes a pair of 0, and then these 2 adding, so it would be 6 equals the opposite of 3, x. So dividing that would be negative 2 equals the opposite of x, or 2 equals x. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something, and here is a fantastic painting by, I forgot whoever that is, of Egyptians.